Hi, I'm Jordan Fisher, CEO of Standard, and we're here at the University of Houston where we're launching the first ever fully transactable retrofit store with autonomous checkout. What that means is we've taken an existing store, installed our technology on top, and what it does is it allows shoppers to come in, grab the products that they already know and love, and leave without any checkout and get their receipt automatically. Beyond that, what we're even more excited about is we actually have 4 sites live now with our technology, demonstrating the ability to scale and bring this across the world. We're going to be walking you through how this technology works and why it's so awesome. Due to the pandemic and some of the complexities of shooting, this might be a little bit different than you might expect for a normal live stream. Some of this footage will be pre-recorded, but a lot of it will be raw, behind the scenes, showing you this technology. So, first I want to tell you what I think the future of retail looks like. I think in 5 years, no matter where you are in the world, you should be able to walk into a store, grab those products that you know and love, and leave without ever thinking about transacting again. We think this technology should be deployed everywhere in all of the stores that already exist throughout the world. And in order to do that, we have to achieve 2 critical things. One, this technology has to be a retrofit technology. We have to use the existing stores that are already out in the world. And 2, the technology has to be able to scale. We have to be able to take this and replicate it over and over again to deploy to the hundreds of thousands and eventually millions of stores that exist throughout the world. And what we're very excited to announce today is that we have achieved both of those pieces of technology. We have a retrofit system, which we'll be showing you across all of our sites today, and we're demonstrating that ability to scale, to reproduce this technology multiple times in multiple locations. We really believe that these are the 2 core technologies necessary to start deploying this globally to deliver this amazing new shopping experience to you in all the stores that you know and love. Next, we're going to take you behind the scenes, show you a little bit about what our system sees, how it understands how you shop, and how we're able to deliver that amazing friction-free experience in the stores that you'll be shopping at. So now I want to pull back the curtains and show you how the technology works. How are we able to do all of this complex analysis behind the scenes to deliver you that friction-free experience? So I'm going to show you footage from all 4 locations that we're installed in now, which is Houston, San Francisco, Toronto, and Charlotte. What you're going to see here is previously recorded footage from our testers in those 4 locations. We didn't want to break any privacy rules here, so these are standard employees that have already signed off on having this footage shown. It's also a really important part of how we test our system, ensuring that shoppers can grab things and the system understands exactly what's happening. So what we do is we look just at the way that a shopper is moving. We're going to show you a 3D reconstruction, which is what our system actually sees as you're moving through the store. And again, it does this just based off of the way that you're moving. There's no biometrics, it's completely privacy preserving. Once we've built up that 3D understanding of how you're moving through the store, we can use it to figure out what you're doing, what are you grabbing, and what are you putting back, so that ultimately we can put all those pieces together and figure out what your cart should be. And in fact, we're not just doing this in this one location, we're actually doing this in all 4 locations at all times. So this is the live processing, the real-time processing that our system is doing in order to deliver you that awesome experience. So now that we've talked a little bit about the behind the scenes, let's see how we take all of that complexity and deliver this really low friction shopping experience. We just saw how the technology works behind the scenes. Now I want to show you how we actually use all of that complexity to deliver an incredibly simple shopping experience. Let's find out how it works. All I have to do is take my app and check in, which I can do at any time during the shopping trip. And then I can just grab the products that I know and love. I really like cheese. And I'm also a strawberry Pop-Tarts guy. And that's it. Then I can walk out and I'll get my receipt automatically.
I'm David Riddle, the Vice President for Operations for Chartwell's Higher Education here at the University of Houston. In our new Market Next store, using standard technology, we're able to offer the customer completely free in and out experience. There's no need to go to a cash register at this point. You're able to walk in using mobile technology, pick what you want, and then leave the store, and you're charged automatically.
My name is Charles Pereira. I'm the Senior Director of Dining, and I am at our brand new Market Next location at the Technology Bridge at the University of Houston campus. The consumer solely is in control of their transaction time and experience in the store. We often see in our retail stores, some students want to directly walk in and enter, purchase one item and leave. Others want to come in and browse and look at products. So this model gives the consumer the ability to really curate their experience.
The way the system works is you download an app on your phone, and when you come to the store, you simply open the app, you begin to shop. There's AI technology that tracks your movements and tracks what you choose, and then automatically bills your phone. And then you're able to walk out of the store, and you're charged for whatever you picked up. Technology is very elegant, very simple, sophisticated on the back end, but as far as the customer experience is concerned, very, very simple transaction.
The technology is sound. The experience is very accurate, which is very important. It's a minimalistic experience for the consumer and very enjoyable.
We often get asked about privacy issues, and there is no collection of biometric data, there's no facial recognition. It's really tied to your phone, and that's how we track your purchase.
Any type of new technology, our guests are always concerned about safety, what type of data is being collected and stored and displayed or shared. So we examine all of those avenues to ensure that it's a right fit for our operation.
This is really a comprehensive change in the format of convenience store service and retailing generally. And it does drive top line, and it improves the guest experience from day one. We're converting existing stores, so we don't have to go out and build something from scratch in order to use this technology. These are facilities we've already got. We're just adding a new technology component that really transforms the experience for the guest. And so our goal with this technology is to expand it across campus at the University of Houston and also offer it nationwide at other Chartwell's accounts.
Hello, I'm Michael Susswall. I'm the COO of Standard Cognition, one of the co-founders. I'm here with LaToya, who's on site at our North Carolina store. Hey, LaToya.
Hi, Michael. How are you?
Doing real good today. Really excited about our launch. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Great, great. So how does it feel to be finally opening the store to the public for people to shop?
Oh, it feels so great. This is one of the brightest ideas ever.
Oh, that's great. Thanks so much for that. So LaToya, how are people reacting to the experience? Is it mostly positive, or people, how is their shopping going?
Well, being that it's COVID-19, it's a great idea because you don't have to interact with anybody.
Yeah,
like
right.
It's 100% social distancing. You come in, get your snack, you get your drink, and then you're out of here. So
that is awesome. Hey, I think I see someone in the store now. Do you think she'd be willing to talk?
Yes, ma'am. This is Michael, the COO of the company Standard Cognition.
Hi, Michael. How are you?
Good. How you doing today?
Good. Great.
What's your name?
My name is Dominique.
Hey, Dominique. Thanks for shopping in our store today. We're really super excited. This is the first day we're really open to the public, and so you're one of our first shoppers. How was the experience?
It was great. Refreshing. Very refreshing.
Good, good, good. Good. What did you buy today?
Actually, I just got a smart order and some ruffled cheddar sour cream chips.
Oh, sounds delicious. Sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dominique. Thanks for shopping. I don't want to hold you up. Have a great day.
Thank you as well.
All right. Hey, LaToya. Thanks for tuning in with us and showing us the store today. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Final words for us?
One of the brightest ideas ever. Good job.
Thanks,
They're
LaToya.
loving it.
Thanks,
You're
LaToya.
welcome.
Have a good one. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
It's awesome to see our technology working in all these different locations. One thing that I'm particularly excited about with autonomous checkout is not just that you can skip the line, but that you can really have an incredibly fast shopping trip. In fact, sometimes just a few seconds. In and out is all it takes. We're going to show you a clip of 2 of our standard employees shopping literally in just a handful of seconds, and then we're going to show you what that looks like from our system, ensuring you that it's able to keep up with that super fast action.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can you help me check out?
Well, I can, but you don't have to anymore. Just download the standard app on your phone and then tap it to check out automatically.
Ah, so do I have to scan every item?
Nope, you just pick up the items that you want and then the system will track you using the cameras above.
So it's tracking me?
It's actually tracking your movements. It doesn't have any facial recognition. It actually doesn't have that ability. The system will track you as a shopper without getting any extra personal data.
Can it tell that I just grabbed chips?
Yep,
Can it tell that I put them back?
it can.
So what happens when I leave?
Well, the system will tally up your purchase and then send you a receipt in a few moments.
What if something's wrong?
It usually isn't, but if you see something wrong with your receipt, just mark it and we will fund you immediately.
All right, I have everything I need, so I just tap to check out and go?
Yep.
Wow, thanks.
We've had an awesome webcast today where we've shown you all of the amazing experiences that checkout-free technology can deliver. We've shown you the ability to retrofit existing stores in the wild, and even more important, we've shown you that we can scale this technology to reach multiple stores. I want to give a huge shout out to everyone at Standard and all of our partners for making this possible. We have a lot more to come. We're incredibly excited to begin delivering this to even more locations near you with Compass, with Chartwell, with Peltec, the Red Sox, and Circle K, a location that we're at right now. You can expect many more stores coming next year, and we are very excited to be delivering it to you. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.
In the last retail revolution, we turned lasers into barcode scanners, enabling retailers to offer customers a larger, more varied product mix. Today, after 40 years of waiting, state-of-the-art science changes the game again. Machine learning has spawned autonomous checkout, turning the businesses you love into completely checkout-free experiences. Today, we usher in a new era for retail, one where crowded lines are a thing of the past. Welcome to the future. The wait is over.